Más hermosa eres que el sol y más blanca que la espuma. Hay por ahí muchas mujeres, pero como tú ninguna. Por esos ojos que tienes, un beso me corto yo.
When I first started growing chilies, there were about 6 available or so, not even that, in catalogues, and I had to get them from Australia and New Zealand and America for our collection here. But now you can get absolutely anything you want to grow from British-based seed companies. And a show like this just brings out the chili heads in the UK. It's phenomenal.
Just wash your hands, yeah, because it's extract.
Full of oil, yeah.
15 then, thank you.
That's building.
If you've got anything chili, you need to be here. It's just the Mecca of the humble chili. Everyone's here, from Mexican to Indian to every single chili stall that I know. The people flock here year after year, and it's just the most amazing chili event.
This is the dark chocolate, which is exceptionally strong. It's slow, very little. And now it's coming through. Very strong indeed. It's got a real aftertaste, a real kick. It really burns this stuff. But strangely enough, it's lovely and you feel you want some more.
I was beginning to wonder what it was all about, quite honestly, because you taste it first of all, nothing happens, then all of a sudden, bang, it kicks in, and you're jumping about a bit,
We're always being asked, what is your hottest product? Now, we've tried in the past making mild chili products, medium heat chili products, but the people, they want the hottest. And I think it's all to do with the feel-good factor. So they've got the hottest, they taste it, and it gives them an endorphin rush, and it makes them feel really, really good.